Hi friends, now I am going to share about the Maker Pro profile of mine, and it has very good exploration of topics like ESP32, Raspberry Pi, IoT, Linux, etc. Okay, now I want to explore with Raspberry Pi, and I got one good project, namely Raspberry Pi Security Camera with Face Recognition by Maker Connor Morey. In this project we utilize Raspberry Pi, Azure, Twilio, and AWS APIs to monitor for motion and use face recognition to send customized MMS. And we used hardware as Raspberry Pi 3, Raspberry Pi expansion kit, RGB LED module, infrared peer motion sensor, Raspberry Pi camera module V2. Remotely monitor your office for intruders using Azure, AWS and Twilio. Train a group of trusted faces and check motion-triggered photos against them. If the face is known, a text with their name and photo will be sent to you. If the face is unknown, all photos of the incident are uploaded and the last one is sent to you along with a warning of intruders. Raspberry Pi camera installation. Install the camera module by plugging the camera wire into the port labeled camera, which is next to the HDMI port on the Raspberry Pi. Once installed, update and upgrade as seen below. Sudo apt-get update. Sudo apt-get upgrade. Next, you must enable the camera. This can be done by going into the Applications menu and under Preferences select Raspberry Pi configuration. Under the Interfaces tab, press the Enable Radio button for camera. Remotely this can be done using sudo raspi-config, and in Interfacing options enable the camera. To test that your camera is installed correctly, use raspistil opic.jpg. If installed correctly, a photo called pic.jpg should be saved to your current directory. Create a new file facedetect.py and save it in Home Pi projects. This file will take a local images path. Using Azure's detect endpoint, identify if there are any faces in the photo and draw a blue rectangle around the faces. facedetect.py can be found below. To display the image, I had to install ImageMagick first using sudo apt-get install ImageMagick. In facedetect.py code we imported different libraries as shown and key to connect with Azure and paths for pictures. And to main functions recon, get rectangle. Whereas recon is used to link with Cognitive Microsoft API for a person group, in this case is a group of trusted faces associated with names under a group ID. This person group is trained to allow for the use of Azure's identify later on. And get rectangle is used for outline for detected trusted face. Create a file in the same directory called @persongroup.py. I created this for my office, so the person group was named employees.